Okay, so this next part, we're going to show you how to actually find the decision maker and find the people that you're going to send the emails to. So I'm going to share my screen one more time. And what you'll see here is a continuation from the last video, the customization that I did for the transforming client acquisition, AI's game-changing role in financial services. So this was actually for the Canada, was it? The Canada International Tourism and Hospitality. So we click on that link. It's bringing us to Eventbrite. These are not ideal. Eventbrite events generally are not ideal, but we can use them. What you can do is you can scroll down and you're looking for contact information. And if we go to the contact information, oh, there we go right here, contact. There's contact the organizer. This is where you would put your speaker's name and address, and you go a question about the event, and then you would paste the email that you got right there. So you would paste that email. Where is it? Right there. So you got an email, and then you would continue to send that email. And that's how you would do the outreach. Now, if we just pick another conference at random, let me just go to the, let's see, Niagara Tourism Network right there. Let's go to Niagara Tourism Network. So we're going here, we're going to about, if you're looking for the people to actually email, there it is, Susan Morin. So there's her email and there's her phone number. So now you can send the email to Susan, and you can put the phone number in a spreadsheet, which I'm going to show you in the next video, so that you can compile the information for the speaker. The way I want you to do this is, your job as the VA is to gather all this information, find these names and phone numbers, and at the end of each week, send a spreadsheet with everybody you've contacted, everybody you've done outreach for, along with the name, email, and phone number, along with the voicemail script that was generated in the tool. Now, if we look at this even more, let's say we are sending an email to Susan Morin. So we actually have the initial email right here. You can send this to Susan. So instead of saying hi first name, say hi Susan. And it's, for in this case, it's coming from Jim Feldman, my colleague. And here's the voicemail. So those would be included in that spreadsheet that you send to your speaker. Now, the follow-up sequence, you would be able to schedule in here. You would be able to send, compose, and schedule send. With each of these outputs, it tells you when to send it. Send it approximately 7 months before the conference. So you do the count back from when the conference is and schedule the email for that day. And you want to make sure that you've got all 4 of these emails ready to go, because they are going to be the follow-up routine. So the plan is, you will send the initial email, you will schedule the follow-up emails, and the speaker should be the one doing the phone calls. So it's important that you get the speaker every week. You get the speaker a spreadsheet with who you've reached out to, along with the name and phone number of the person to contact. Now, this is important. Who are you looking for when you go to the About page or the Our Team page? You are looking for, in this order, either a director of meetings, a director of conferences, or the CEO. You either find the right people that are in charge of those events. You're not looking for meeting planners. You're looking for decision makers. And if you can't find a director of meetings or a director of conferences, then you want to speak you want to send the email to the CEO. And that will be your most effective outreach strategy. This will find you the programs and it will allow you to apply for them. Another thing that this tool does is that after it's created the customized RFP, it will present another list of similar events that you can apply to. So I would copy and paste these also to a Word document. Your goal is to create as many leads as you can, because every lead is an opportunity for the speaker to engage and get paid to be on a stage. And that is the conclusion of my training. Good luck.